Welcome to another episode of the Star Showcase House. Today we're blessed to have Kurt Cornejo from Pearson. Kurt, what do we got going on today?
So we're doing a pool demolition for Star Lumber in the children's home. So we're ripping out a pool in the backyard here, and we're going to put a bunch of fill dirt back in and level off the backyard.
You know, on a project like this, what do you run into? Obviously, it's a pretty tight quarters, but what do you run into in a house like this?
So, well, in this situation, we got a lot of trees to work around, a lot of utility lines, and the pool's it's an old pool, so a lot of times they're built a lot heavier with a lot more concrete than sometimes like they are today. So it'll be a little bit of a challenge getting it out, but we should get it.
We're so happy to have you guys a part of this. It's going to help us transform this backyard into an amazing space. But what drew you to the project? What's your passion about this?
So when Star Lumber called and asked if we'd want to join and help the children's home, the children's home's been a pretty passionate deal for me for a long time. I was on the board for 3 or 4 years, and anytime we can help out the home, we just feel like it's a great cause, so we were all in. We
couldn't agree more. The work that they've done over so many years for our community is, we're just so excited to have them as a partner. Kurt, I just want to say thank you again and enjoy the project. Keep coming back for more updates. Thank you.
Sounds good. Thank you.
Let Star guide you through the entire project.